Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. The Shoviv Lotus Notes to Outlook Converter. The fast and quick way for bulk conversion from local NSF files and Domino server mailboxes, HCL, Smart Cloud Notes, and Versa NSF files to Outlook PST in a single go, without any alteration in actual data structure and hierarchy. There is no limitation on adding NSF files for the conversion. Users can also save NSF files data into EML and in MSG file format. It supports all versions of HCL and IBM Domino Server, Lotus Notes, and HCL Notes, Windows operating system, and Outlook. Outlook 2013 is recommended. To download the software, you may visit www.shoviv.com/lotusnotes2outlook.html and install the software. As you open the software, the home screen of the tool will appear. Click on Demo to check out the demo version of the software. Now, you have to add local NSF files, which you can browse from your system. The software allows the users to add Domino server NSF files, where you have to provide server name or the IP address. Click here to add Smart Cloud Notes or Versa NSF files. You can also search local NSF files, can remove selected NSF files, and can even remove all NSF files on a click. Check the box to expand folders of checked NSF files. Click OK to proceed. The folders will list up. Click on Outlook PST Export option. A window will appear. Click on Next button to proceed. Now, you have to provide a target folder, which you can browse from your system. You can check the box and provide a password for your PST file. The software also provides an option to split PST file as per your desired file size limit. You can check the box to use incremental export option, by which you can prevent duplicate items during export. Click Next to proceed. Uncheck the box of item type which you do not want to export. Now, add message date range to only export items according to provided date range. The software also provides an option of folder mapping and email translation. For folder mapping, check the box and click on Add button. And clicking on Add button, you can provide the source and target folder. For email translation, check the box, a window will appear. Now, click on Add button to provide the canonical email address as a source, and give an SMTP address in target to convert. Click Next to start the process. The demo version will process first 50 items per folder. Click here to save export report. Click Yes to check the report. This is the simplest way by which you can convert Lotus Notes to Outlook PST file using Shoviv Lotus Notes to Outlook Converter. For any sales-related query, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related query, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.